Hello, my name is TJS Selimi, and I am an unshakable optimist who believes in the importance mindfulness plays in maximizing human potential and creating a better, brighter and blissful future. I'm best-selling author, coach, speaker and healer, and it is my mission to change the lives of 1 billion people and help build a world in which the vast majority of people live healthy, fulfilled and love-infused lives. My goal for this course is to provide you with an overview of some of the key problems that lead to lack of productivity, performance and profits, whether it's in your personal life or in your business life. Through the techniques that I will show you in this course, you will see that mindfulness has the power to improve everything from your social relationships, resiliency, communication, productivity, performance, enjoyment, memory, and decision-making. Within this course, we are going to look specifically at productivity, performance, and profits. For each of these, we will discuss the symptoms, the effects, and causes of potential problems you may have. And we will then look at techniques that can help you overcome these issues with ease and help you to start living your ever-evolving purpose. This course is ideal for entrepreneurs and individuals who work in demanding roles and environments in which they are expected to perform highly under pressure. If you are someone who wants more from life and are ready to use mindfulness to empower all of the 8 areas of life: spiritual, mental, emotional, physical, relationship, love, business and money, then this course will help you improve your productivity, performance and profits. Thank you so much for your time. I very much hope to see you on the course and to help you use mindfulness to be more productive, increase your performance and boost your profits. My name is TJS Selimi. Living your life in peace and mindfully is priceless.